How to remove category level on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and you will see your professional dashboard. Just in case if you want to remove your category level, then tap on the edit profile option you see there, and under the profile information tab, you will see the option for category. Tap on that and now you will see the option for display on profile. Simply go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for display on profile, and with this, the category level will no longer be visible on your profile. You can also try to change your category level if the current category level is not of your liking. Finally, tap on the Done option on the top right of your screen, and with this, as you can see, the category level is no longer visible on your profile. So this was about how you can remove category level on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.